What's going on, everybody? Today I'm gonna show you how I make my strawberry mango smoothie with homemade walnut milk. I got a video on the YouTube channel of how I make my walnut milk. You can click on it, subscribe to the YouTube channel to check that out, see how you do that. So we got strawberries, mango chunks, date syrup for sweetness, and again, homemade walnut milk. So let's begin. So as we get started, as you can see, I already added the strawberries and a couple of cubes of ice to the blender. I say about 9 or 10 strawberries. You can add however many that you like. I got the frozen mango chunks. I want to add a few of those. And now I'm going to add probably about a cup of walnut milk. Maybe a little more than a cup, maybe a cup and a half. And I'm going to add a dash of date sugar. Now you can add agave if you want. I just like to use date syrup. I like to use agave too, but for this one, I'm going to use date syrup. And you want to pulse it. And then you just want to let it go. So here we have it, strawberry mango smoothie with homemade walnut milk. Again, you can click the YouTube, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I have a video already on how to make walnut milk, but this is how it should look. Look good. Look good. Tastes good. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on the video, share the video. Let me know what you think. In the description box below, you can follow me on Instagram. You can send me a friend request on Facebook. You could also get the nutritional guide from Dr. Sebi. It's in the description box below. It's a link. Click the link. And also, if you want to get you a blender or food processor, it's a link also in the description box below for that. If you want to get the Emerald Tablets book by Billy Carson, it's a link in the description box for that also. And if you want to get alkaline herbs, I have herbs, and all you have to do is email me at Carbonbased Cellfood@gmail.com. That's CARBONBASED Cellfood@gmail.com, and I can get you what you like. So I want to just thank you for watching.